Most people don't fail because they stop learning. They fail because they're learning randomly. You know the cycle, you buy the courses. You read the books, you watch the videos. But there's no system, there's no output. And ultimately, there's no real growth. You're just consuming, not creating. And when you're consuming more than you're creating, you're stuck. So I built a 6-month learning blueprint that changed how I think forever. It's a system designed to turn raw knowledge into a transformed mindset, and today, I'm going to give it to you. Real learning only happens when information changes your behavior. It has to move from your head into your hands. So, this entire system is built on one simple but powerful rule: learn, apply, reflect, and teach. This isn't about grinding yourself into the ground, it's a sustainable habit. We're talking just 30 to 45 minutes a day during the week. That's it, weekends, just to deep sessions. The key here isn't intensity, it's consistency. Consistency beats intensity, always. So, how does it work? We break it down into 3 phases over 6 months. Phase 1, for the first 2 months, is all about upgrading your thinking. You don't upgrade your skills until you upgrade how you learn. We're going deep on mental models, first principles thinking, and metacognition. You need to understand your own biases, your habits, and how you make decisions. This foundation changes everything. It's like learning the rules of the game before you try to play. This is where you learn how to learn. Phase 2, months 3 and 4, is about building leverage. In today's world, leverage is everything. This is where we focus on high-value skills. Things like writing, persuasion, and understanding the digital economy. And yes, we're talking about AI. Let's be clear, AI isn't going to replace you. But a person who knows how to use AI will, so we learn how to use it as a tool, a partner. We study value creation and long-term thinking. This isn't about chasing trends. It's about building a timeless skill set that multiplies your efforts. Phase 3, the final 2 months, is where you become a creator. This is the synthesis phase. We focus on creativity and building. And let me tell you, creativity is not some magical talent you're born with. It's a skill. It's about connecting ideas. You take everything you've learned in the first 4 months and now you build something real. A personal project, a new system for your business. You find your unique voice. This is where the knowledge you've absorbed becomes your own unique creation. It's the ultimate test of your learning, but there's one rule that holds this entire system together. It's the part that most people skip, and it's the reason most learning fails. Every single week, you must produce one tangible output. It could be a short article, a video, a presentation, a piece of code, anything that forces you to articulate what you've learned. Why? Because if you can't explain it simply, you haven't truly learned it. This forces you to move from passive consumption to active creation. This system works because it creates a powerful feedback loop. You learn something new, you apply it in a small way. You reflect on the result, then you teach it or share it through your weekly output. Each step reinforces the others. You stop just saying, "I'm learning this subject," and you start embodying it, thinking, "I am a learner." It becomes part of your identity. Remember, the future doesn't belong to the smartest people, it belongs to the fastest learners. The ones who can adapt, evolve, and create value in a constantly changing world. This blueprint is your map to becoming one of them. It's not about being perfect. It's about making consistent, intelligent progress. If you want the full Notion template for this 6-month blueprint, complete with resources and a detailed schedule, and even a 15-minute-a-day version for those who are super busy, just comment blueprint below, and I'll make sure you get it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, because on this channel, we don't just chase motivation, we build systems that create lasting change. See you in the next one.